everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can add review feed on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the pixel before creating the widget. Once you have installed it, click the add notification button. Here you will see different type of subscribe proof notifications and widgets. Navigate to widgets, go to feed, and here you can find the review feed widget. Click on select designs and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. In name, enter anything that is easy to remember, and in URL, mention the website URL where you want to display the feed. Once you have filled in this information, click on Create and Customize, and you will be redirected to the customization page. Here, we have two sections. The first one is Design. Here on the left side, you can change the design of the feed from the options available. You can see a live preview here in the middle of the screen, and you can also check how your feed will look like in mobile phone and desktop screen. Then on the right side, we have two main configuration options, design and date and timing settings. We'll see each option in design section in detail. First one is floating title. This one is floating title, where visitors can click to see the review feed. You can change the text by navigating inside this option. Then second, we have review tab. Here you can see this is a review tab. If I turn this off, this won't be visible. So if you want your visitors to see it, you can turn this on, and if you don't, simply turn it off. You can also customize the text under this option. Next option we have is reviewer header section. So here you can change overall rating and recommended text, and also change the colors if you want. We also have header title. It is dynamic. If you are showing reviews from Google, it will show Google, and if you are showing reviews from Facebook, it will show Facebook here. That's all in reviewer header section. Now the fourth option is the reviewer row. This will be the part where reviews are displayed. You can change the icon here. You can also keep it dynamic. In dynamic, reviewer's photo will be displayed along with the reviews. There is not much to change in this section since everything is dynamic and the data will be fetched directly from the review platforms. So yeah, those are the important options in design. We have other options like position, animation, background and more. You can customize them as per your requirement. It is already designed well as per your requirements. You can use default settings and you are good to go. Now let's move to the next part, that is data and timing. In other settings, you can choose whether you want to skip send widget to same visitors during a specific period of time. We recommend you to keep this on as your visitors might get annoyed looking at the same review feed again and again. Then we have review filter settings. Under this option, you can filter review based on rating, include and exclude reviews with keyword, hide reviews without comments, and sort reviews in ascending and descending order. You can also select the number of reviews being displayed on one page. If you have selected 10 here, whenever a user clicks on load more button, visitor will see 10 reviews only. That's all in review filters. Then we have behavioral rule. Let's say if you want to show review feed for limited time, then what you can do is add start and expiry date and add specific days of the week. We also have an option to set trigger movements based on exit intent, time-based intent, and scroll-based intent. You can set the time duration and scroll after which you want the review feed to be displayed to the visitor. Use hide rule to hide reviews after a specific period of time. That's all about design section. Once you are done with it, click on the save button. Now let's move to the next section, that is display, by clicking the continue button. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display widget, like display it on all pages or specific pages by using different display conditions. If you want to display same widget on multiple websites, you just have to add multiple website URLs here. You can choose whether you want to display widget to returning or new visitors and target the specific audience by using segmentation options like UTM, cookies them, and more. Once you customize all these targeting options, Let's move to the next option, that is data source. This one is important. Here you can integrate platforms from where you collect reviews. We have direct integrations with multiple review platforms including Airbnb, Amazon, Bookings.com, Capterra, Facebook, Google, and more. You can integrate with them, and WiserNotify will start pulling review data from them. We have already integrated some of these platforms. To activate them, select apps by clicking the checkbox, and the integration will be activated. Once you have customized all three options, your widget is ready to go live. Simply click on Finish button and turn the widget on. Here, now let's check in on the website. As you can see here, the widget is live on your website. So that is how you can create a review feed widget. If you want to explore more advanced options, we have video links in description. And if you still face any issues while creating review feed widget, connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.